Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the ABCD phonics sound. So let's learn some colors name. Navy blue color, sky blue color, green color, violet color, orange color, pink color, dark pink color, yellow color, brown color and parrot green color. So let's get started. Letter A makes the sound A. Apple. Letter B makes the sound B. Ball. Letter C makes the sound K. Cat. Letter D makes the sound D. Dog. Letter E makes the sound A. Elephant. Letter F makes the sound fish. Letter G makes the sound G. Gorilla. Letter H makes the sound horse. Letter I makes the sound igloo. Letter J makes the sound juice. Letter K makes the sound kite. Letter L makes the sound lion. Letter M makes the sound mango. Letter N makes the sound nose. Nose. Letter O makes the sound octopus. Letter P makes the sound parrot. Letter Q makes the sound queen. Letter R makes the sound rat. Letter S makes the sound strawberry. Letter T makes the sound tiger. Letter U makes the sound umbrella. Letter V makes the sound fan. Letter W makes the sound watch. Letter X makes the sound xylophone. Letter Y makes the sound yacht. Letter Z makes the sound zebra. Very good guys. Today you have learned A to Z phonics sound. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, W, R, S, T, U, W, X, X, ya, z, z, Very good guys, you have to practice this every day. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.